The Hamara Sankalp Bharat program was held today at Mawkadiang BPL school, attended by officials from various line departments, beneficiaries and the general public. The program commenced with a pledge video showcasing the people's commitment, followed by a pledge reading. The officials from the various departments highlighting central government schemes like MGNREGA, ICDS, PMAYG, PMUY, JJM and others. Beneficiaries of various schemes shared their success stories and expressed gratitude on how these programs has transformed their lives.
Yatra Thai, they akan nega umpar kalau yang skim bat kalau kajing mentai ke bakrau nomor bang layo yang kajing kesem ke bak hambet kambiang.
Kajing yarah ke bang ngayo ka sekitar kini debila ka skim PMAY skim ban senayim ke ngadap kajing keban ke bakrau bang ngayo na kamentakan nega skim
North